Well guys, last night in the 840i, it's snowing outside, and I figured it'd be a good time to put the all-wheel drive system, the xDrive in this, paired with these winter tires to use. Let's take this 840 out and have a little bit of fun. I've really enjoyed driving this car this week. This is one of the nicest luxury sport vehicles that I think BMW has ever made. They really knocked it out of the park with this. The straight six is a peach. It's usable, it's enjoyable. It's not too fast for the street, and I think that's important. I've been able to drive this car this week and get a decent level of enjoyment out of it at normal, sane speeds. The stop-start system works really well. There isn't a whole lot that this 8 Series doesn't do best in class, doesn't do very, very well. We'll keep it in kind of just the normal traction control mode here. See how it does in slippery road conditions. It seems to do a pretty good job going where you point it. The stability control isn't that intrusive. And of course the all-wheel drive in this works very well. This is one of those cars that kind of ruins cheap cars for you. It's so good at so many things. I actually took this out for a pretty extended drive this week on some back roads and really enjoyed myself. And again, it has approachable limits. And as I'm learning tonight, it's a weapon in the snow. It does a really nice job out here. A lot of confidence on these Pirelli winter tires. This ZF 8-speed almost reads your mind. It does such a nice job with its shifts. Also, check out this ambient lighting. Pretty cool what BMW has done. You can go into settings, change it around a little bit. A few different color options. Go full orange, orange and white, blue, green, lilac. Keeps you in check for the most part with good taste. Probably my only complaint about this car are just the wheel size. These tires, the sidewalls are so skinny on them that if you hit a pothole, there's very little forgiveness. These laser headlights work pretty well too. There's a lot of confidence. This four-wheel steer works really well in these slick conditions to get you rotated around corners. Oh, this thing drives so well. Braking performance too. Play this straight six like an instrument. See how we do with it's super adjustable, very intuitive to slide around. Oh, this is gorgeous, just gorgeous. Just awesome. Alright guys, well, there's the video we all wanted. The 840i in the snow. We filmed a lot of content on this week, and I don't usually film this much in a car, but when I really like something, I want to keep driving it, keep filming videos, keep sharing the experience, and that's been the case here. So, as always, let me know if you guys have any questions on this. But that was a treat. That was fun. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Definitely the closest BMW that I've driven in recent years to the ultimate driving machine.